Good afternoon. How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm also good. Thanks for asking. I'm from east part of India. My state name is Odisha. Do you want to enhance your English speaking or do you want to just interact with co-learner? Okay. I want to enhance my English speaking. That's why I'm using this platform. I'm a language learner. I want to get my fluency, build my confidence. I want to correct my mistake. I want to speak correct sentence with grammar. Right? That's why I am using this platform. How long have you been using this platform? Around 1 month. Okay. I also I have been also using this platform above 1 month, and I practice with fluent speaker. All are good speaker. Platform also very good, and I connect with so many language learner, beginner, advanced learner, advanced speaker, fluent speaker. I interact with them, and I learn from them. Yeah. Then we take one topic. It is a better for us because we both are language learner. Then we no need to tell much introduction here, right? That's all. We both are language learner, it is enough for us. Then I do you have any topic or shall I tell one topic? Okay, I have one topic: how to enhance our English speaking, how to be fluent in English. What's your opinion about it? First of all, shall I tell or do you want to tell first? Okay, thank you. I tell first. Language has 5 pillars: reading, writing, listening, speaking, and thinking. And if we do regularly, simultaneously, daily, and if we invest half an hour daily with language, then we become a fluent speaker. We get our fluency. It depends upon you how much time we invest with language. If we invest less time per day, then it will take time to get our fluency. If we invest much time with language daily, then within short period we get our fluency and we build our confidence. It is a true, it is a fact, right? And practice is a most important. And language always takes 20% theory, 80% practical. It is a true. We have to make to-do list, long term and short term. And long term we have to keep language as a long term goal, right? No one can get overnight. And we have to make also target in 1 year or 6 months. And how we get our fluency and how we build our confidence, we evaluate with ourselves, right? How do we evaluate our language? How much we can speak better English with correct sentence, with grammar? How do we evaluate? Because if we practice with someone and that person appreciate you, that person correct your mistake, then you evaluate your speaking and you evaluate your language. Right now I am talking with you, where I make mistake, you observe my mistake, right? After that, if you figure out any one mistake, then you consider you are going to right track. If you speak with fluent speaker and if you observe their mode of talking, how to take pause, how to make modulation, how to make English speaking sound, English sound, not like a mother tongue, right? English, MTI English is a different, and English is a different. We have to make these kind of sound while interact. And if you make sentences within 5 minutes, if you make 20 or 30 sentences within 5 minutes, then you evaluate your speaking, you are good speaker, because within short period you make so many sentences. Then how we build this kind of atmosphere and this kind of materials, right? Because we have to take one topic regularly and we discuss that topic, we get at least chance to tell about your art thought in front of someone 10 to 15 minutes per day. Then within 10 minutes, if you make a 50 sentences, or within 5 minutes if you make a 20 or 30 sentences, then you become a fluent speaker. Definitely you can speak good English in front of anyone, or if you interact with well educated people, then you can communicate with them. That's why it is, because we have to make also to do list, and we have to miss practice also regularly. It is a language, anyone can they learn and anyone can they speak. It is a learnable skill, right? Illiterate people, they don't have degree, they can't read write, but they can speak English. We have to know about little bit knowledge about language, like grammar, tenses, part of speech, vocabulary. Illiterate people, they don't know anything, but they can speak because they got a atmosphere and they interact with anyone. They don't worry about what the people think about them if they make mistake. But well educated people, we always think, if I make mistake, what they think about me, right? We don't want to lose our dignity, we don't want to lose our self-esteem in front of anyone, right? Then we have to focus so many things, means sound also, phonetic also, idiom, phrasal verb also, vocabulary also. Then it definitely it will take time, right? If you 24 hours, if you invest your time with language, then maybe you get within 1 year you increase your level like a C1 or C2, right? Otherwise we all are big now because we don't have much idea about language. Okay, right now I am talking with you, it is not enough, right? I don't have deep knowledge about language, I don't have good pronunciation, I don't have excellent vocabulary inside my head. While talking with others, I can't use that vocabulary, right? If I interact with someone, that's when I feel uncomfort, right? I always underestimate my confidence, right? And these kind of we have to overcome while practice. Practice is mandatory. Whatever you learn, whatever you gain knowledge about language, if you don't practice regularly, then you cannot get anything, right? That's why language knowledge is a just raw material, and if you practice that raw material, then you get your skill, right? What you get product, that is a skill. That's why our mind like repetition, our mind always remember repetition. If we imitate, or if we repeat, tell about that sentence daily, and with whom we interact, we tell daily, then definitely our mind provide that sentence immediately. If I tell you how are you, then you tell I'm fine, thank you, what about you? Because you never think about what I will tell and what I can reply, right? Because you might fix that question and that reply, right? Then we have to train our mind these kind of, while talking in English people, then you talk with them in English, and if you interact with your native speaker people, then you interact with them in your mother tongue. Then we have to do it this kind of practice. It is required practice and practice. Everyone they know it's okay. I also know it is required practice, but people they don't know how to do practice. That is also big issue. They think if I talk with someone, it is a practice, right? They always think this kind of. I think so. But practice, we have to do reading practice. We have to do speaking practice. We have to do writing practice. We have to do listening practice, those kind of requirement to enhance English. But they think if I listen, if I speak with someone, that is called practice. But we have to practice all skills, not only one single skill, only listening and speaking. We have to focus also reading. We have to focus also writing. People they don't know how to what I will write. You write what you do morning to evening. You write if you fight with someone, you can write. If you don't like any kind of movie, you write. If you watch any YouTube video, any controversy topic, you write on your thought. Right now we are talking each other, then you can write one topic, you make on your thought, on your words that topic, right? Then so many topic. If you face any kind of unexpected situation, then you can write, right? If you meet your friend, then you write. So many topic, but we always deny this kind of topic, right? We always think I write one topic, best topic. What topic? What you do morning to evening, it is a best topic. Because all work not you do daily, we do daily in different work, right? Sometime we never get time to take food or something, you can write, right? Then if you don't feel well, then you can write on your words why you don't feel well, right? The reading, people they think I take a book. You what you like, you read single articles on your mobile. In this day, motivation article spread one mobile to another mobile. Then if you open your mobile in the morning, immediately you get good morning, and it has written one quote, right? Vivekananda's quote, or any kind of means APJ Abdul Kalam, they put a one picture and they wrote something in there, right? Then you read this kind of article, you read any kind of cricket's life, celebrities lives. But if you think I take one book and I read one page, it is not possible. If you don't like, you can't read. You read online articles, it is also good. Then it has so many things, but it is depend upon person to person how to practice with yourself, what you know about practice. It is also depend. People they think listening and speaking is a practice, but we have to do also reading, writing and thinking. People they don't know what, how can I think. Thinking is equal to writing. If you take pen paper, you keep silent and you start writing, right? Then your mind think what you write, what you do morning to evening. You get up early in the morning, after that you do your morning church, then after you worship, after that you take breakfast, then after you sit study, after that you get ready to go to school, then after you reach school, after that you greet your teacher, then after you start studying inside classroom, after that you take lunch break time, then after you gossip your friend, after that you once again your periods start, after that you when your class over, you come back to home and you refresh yourself, you scroll your mobile or you watch your television, then after you play with your friends, then after you once again you refresh in the evening, after that you take snack and coffee or something, after that once again you start studying, then after you take together dinner with your family, after that you once again watch mobile or any social media, then after you go to bed. You have to write so many things. But people they, how I think writing is a best technique to think, right? What you do morning to evening, your mind provide a sentence step by step. Yeah. It is point of my view. If anyone do regularly, simultaneously, daily, definitely they become a fluent speaker one day within short period. It is depend upon time. How much time do you invest with language per day? Not only 5 minutes or 10 minutes. If you want to enhance your English speaking, then you have to invest proper time, and you have to make a to-do list, long-term goal, short-term goal, and you have to make a 6-month schedule and 1 year schedule. And what you improve, you write down in there. You improve your vocabulary, you improve your writing skill, you improve your reading skill, or you improve your listening skill, or you improve your speaking skill. You write in there. After that, what part you lacking of, you figure out, and you evaluate, you observe with yourself. After that, you make a 1 second to-do list, and you focus that to-do list. After that, you become a good speaker, right? It is my opinion. Right now, you tell about your opinion. What's how people become a fluent speaker, and how to train their mind to talk, right? It is speaking comes by speaking. We have to train our mind, right? Then we become a good speaker. Yeah, right now your turn. You tell about